Good day, hiring manager. I am Anilin Francisco Ronquillo, and I am excited for the opportunity to work and collaborate with such a prestigious company. I am a Misamis University graduate, majoring in radiologic technology. The knowledge and hands-on training received has prepared me for a prosperous career within your company. I believe to be the perfect candidate for the position you are looking to fill. I am multilingual and I am able to speak Bisaya, English, Arabic, and Tagalog fluently. My training abroad had prepared me and mastered my skills and can be applied such a demanding medical field where it all about a patient care. I have led projects and organized them to be completed in schedule and surpass the expectations. I work well, collaboratively as well as independently should the task requires it. I am very focused and efficient. My attention to detail is very important to me for it is reflect to myself. My skills and abilities will contribute overall success and day-to-day operations in this company. I look forward to follow procedures and fulfill expectations that set by the company standards. Thank you for the opportunity and time. Have a great day.